Hey, welcome back to another episode of your review channel. Yes, we're doing a unboxing and a good look at the 7Oak mini LED light that's for an iPhone, but you know what? I'm using it for the GoPro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to show you how this works. This is awesome. Let's get to the video. Hey, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Today we're looking at a very cool item from 7Oak. So I have a GoPro and I have this huge old light that I used to use for different video purposes, and it was just too big for the GoPro. It was just too heavy. It was making the GoPro spill over. It wasn't stable. It was just a mess. So I was looking online and I wanted to find a small little light for my GoPro. This is really designed for the phone, but actually it works great for the GoPro. I have to tell you, it works really, really well. So I just want to do an unboxing. Just want to show you a little bit and give you a quick demonstration. So stay tuned, stay with me, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. This is a very inexpensive item. It's like 15 bucks. It's not a lot of money, but also it does a really good job. So I shot a couple of videos with it already, and I'm very impressed with the quality. Honestly, like it's an inexpensive item. Like I said, but it works actually really well. So if you have a GoPro and you're looking for an inexpensive light that works on the fly, this is awesome. So I just want to do a quick opening and just show you what I'm talking about here. Let me just move this down so you can see. And it comes with a little manual, and there's not much to the manual at all, really. Just give you some basic information. What's cool about this, it has a charge indicator. So when you plug it in, it tells you when it's charging, and it does shut off, so it has a smart indicator. So it does tell you when it's fully charged, okay? As far as how long it lasts, well, how long it lasts, roughly between 1 and 4 hours, depending on the power level and how long you're using it for, and that's pretty much just a rough estimate. That's what it says. Let's continue. Power, I mean, I wouldn't like go shoot a wedding with it or anything, but for quick, 3-4 minute interviews, 5-minute interviews, perfect. Has a cold shoe, has 3 light settings, which is cool, and it's balanced, which is really nice, and it's pretty powerful. You're gonna be pretty amazed, and it's super, super light and very cool. All right, so take this off here, and this is it right here. All right, so it comes with the actual light itself, and it comes with a charger, a little USB charger. And you just charge it. So when you first get it, it did come charged when I did receive it. It is small. I mean, look at this thing. This thing is tiny, but it's awesome on the GoPro. I'm serious. I guess I'm cutting away shots in a minute and just show you. But this is super, super awesome. It's tiny. It's plastic. It's got a cold shoe. Also has an additional mount here, so if you want to mount it to a stand or something, if you want to do some fill light for yourself, really, really works well. I am actually shocked how well this works. Okay, so let's just show you how it goes on. So there it is, and this is low. You can see here, medium and high. So this thing cranks out quite a bit of light for a little tiny thing. What's great about this, it's not heavy and it doesn't add any weight to your camera. So you're running around with the GoPro, you're doing interviews, you're doing vlogging, whatever you're doing, I think this is kind of cool. The drawback is, and I'll show you the cutaways in a minute, is that it's kind of sits close to the camera head, to the camera, because I have a media mod on my GoPro, and it's just hard to get to the record button. You got to kind of, squeeze your finger in here and hit that record button. That is the only downfall I see, but it's really not designed for the GoPro, so I can't blame them at all. It's really works well. So I have a headset up here, I have the actual light, and let's just do a quick demonstration. I'm going to show you how powerful this is. How powerful this is. I'm going to shut the lights off in 1 second, and you're going to see. Okay, guys, so we're in the dark. Okay, so now you can see we're in the dark, and I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to turn it on low. Check this out. All right, that is low. And I'm gonna say this is right behind the GoPro, so I'm holding it up right behind the GoPro, and you can see here I have a face, and you can see this is on low, and I am putting the light back around 2 feet. Okay, actually I'm gonna go a little. You get the shadowing, of course, because it's not directly. But I want to give you an idea how bright this is. And this is on low. So here, this is 3 feet. So here's 3 feet. Now we're gonna crank it up 1 power level. Let's crank it up 1 more. And let's do that right now. And there, so we cranked it up 1 power level, and you can see, so now I am 4 feet away, 5 feet away. You can see that here. You can see I'm getting some downlight. I'm gonna crank it up 1 more level to the highest one. Okay, bam, and there it is. Another level up, 6 feet away, 8 feet away. This is approximately around maybe 8-9 feet away. You can see it does quite a nice job. It does fill it nice. It's a nice even lighting. I think it's too bright when you get too close. Blowing it out image a little bit, and you can lower that down, and you can actually lower it down again. And this is the medium setting here. This is kind of cool, and you can see that's all it is. It's just this little tiny light, and this gives you just enough fill if you're doing a quick interview, if you want to do a product shot, you want to do a demonstration, you're out on the fly. This little tiny thing is really awesome, I have to say. And it's high again, so you can see, and it gives you a good spectrum of light. It's well balanced. and it is nice, and it's a soft, so it doesn't really have a soft box built into it, but it actually is a nice soft light to it. So you can put that on low, and you can see, so if you're doing some really close interview, it's really dark out, you don't want to blow someone's eyes out, it's not too bad on the eyes. It's really, really very interesting. Okay, let's put the lights back on here, so we can see what I'm talking about here. So here it is here, so you can see it during the day here, so you can see a little bit better. So this is how it looks. You can see the lights, okay? Crank it up a little higher, a little higher. So you can see it has a lot of versatility and a lot of advantages for a very small footprint, actually. Again, 7Oak is the name of the company. I think this is awesome. For $15, honestly, you put this in your pocket, you throw it on your GoPro, I put it on my Media Mod, and I hook up my wireless microphone, and you are good to go like a professional studio. I'm telling you, this is fantastic. I mean, you would pay thousands of dollars back in the day to do this kind of stuff, and it's like, it's nothing. It's crazy. Look at this thing. All right, so let's get some cutaways. We're going to show you what it looks like on my GoPro. Okay, so now you can see I have the cutaway. I'm shooting this with my iPhone, so you can see it is on the GoPro. Check this out, all right? It is small, it is compact, it is very, very awesome. Look at that, check this out. This is really, like, a little bright as you can see that. You can just see here, this is a fantastic, and it fits on here beautiful. It doesn't look stupid, it looks awesome. It kind of fits the Media Mod, really kind of cool. I got my microphone plugged in back here, so you can see that right here, and it works perfect. Like I said before, the only thing is you just gotta get your finger in here. It is tough to get your hand in here, just to hit that button. But that's the only drawback that I see. Again, it's not designed for the GoPro, it's designed for an iPhone, but it does work really, really well. And I'll turn it on again so you can see. Let's crank this up here, turn on the power, turn this down, and bam, there it is. There is the Media Mod, and you can see I'll just go in the darkness here, you can just see, I'm just shooting some cool stuff in the background here, and you can just see it does a super, super job. Check this out. That is really, really awesome. All right, any questions or any comments, leave down below. Like I said, $15, you can't go wrong. This is the best deal on the internet as far as I'm concerned. It works fantastic and it works well. If you have any questions or any comments, leave down below. Let me know what you use, what you like. And of course, there's more expensive items, always more expensive items, of course. But for the money, honestly, if you're on a budget, or if you're looking for some quick, easy light, this is the answer as far as I'm concerned. That's the way it goes. Okay, guys, I appreciate your time as always. Turn on the notification bell. Please like, share, and subscribe. It does help me so I can continue helping you guys grow your channel. Don't forget to check out all my other videos online and tech reviews. Also have a lot of YouTube videos on there as well to learn how to use to do YouTube and to grow your channel. And that's it for me, so I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing, quick review on 7Oak. I'll leave a description down below in the description field. I'll leave a link down below in the description. So you can purchase yours if you want to. It is an affiliate link, so you know. And I do get a small commission if you do go ahead and buy that. I like to be transparent and honest with all my people who watch my videos. I appreciate that. It doesn't cost you anything, and it does help me out so I can continue, again, helping you out. All right, guys, I appreciate it as always, and I'll see you at the next review.